Did you know Sumter has this?
No, for real. And not just pho, they've got banh mi, salads and soups, dumplings, buns. This is some of the best broth that I have ever had. Oh my goodness. And I heard somebody's grandma back there getting them gathered in the kitchen. They got the skinny and the wide noodles. It's just so good. They've got daily specials, and I intend to try them all. They've also got specialty Vietnamese teas and coffees. But I'm purposely leaving the music out of this video because I need for you to hear this. She just over here being reckless with the slurps, honey. That's how you know it's good. So slurpable, juicy pieces of shrimp all throughout. Grandma, this is a sexy bowl of pho, and I can't wait to try all of the delicacies on this menu. And it's in Sumter. Don't forget to try more of their milk teas, banh mi's, pho Thai street food and bakery, 1322 Broad Street, Sumter.